Welcome to another video, guys. For some reason, it's almost the end of March and it's like 45 degrees out right now. Pretty strong wind out of the northwest, and it's definitely cold out here. So I bundled up, layered up. Not a single person out here. I'm the only one. Today we're gonna do something a little different. I don't have any bait, and I'm not gonna throw my usual gulps. I bought some voodoo shrimp, and that's what we're gonna throw all day today. I'm definitely gonna keep fish, and if I catch anything, I'm gonna take it to my uncle's restaurant, and he's gonna cook up a nice dinner for my wife and I, and I'll make sure to record our experience. So see you guys when I start hooking up. See you in a bit. Few casts here, looks a little fishy, and then we're gonna shoot over to that grass line, that island over there. Fish on, guys, right away. First cast on the voodoo. And what do we have? Not a bad trout. Definitely gonna measure it. About 17 inches. Definitely a keeper. Put him in the box. Flounder on, guys. Oh, did he let go? Damn. That was either a flounder or a crab, but we're about to find out. There he goes. Yeah, it was a flounder. Doesn't feel like a bad one either. Oh, this is a good fish, guys. Hell yeah. Good flounder. Check that out. Let's give him a measure. Almost 17. Maybe 16 3/4. Definitely going in the box. Fish on, guys. It's a little red. Just caught a little red, but this place looks amazing. I think we're gonna do really well back here. Oh, fish on, guys. I don't think it's that big. Yeah, it's a little red. There he goes. Now let's just hope there's some big ones. Fish on, guys. I knew there was fish here. Okay, not the size we want. But at least we know they're back here. Okay, let's get them back. Fish on already, guys. This place is stacked right here. I don't know if it's only reds or what back here. It feels like another red. Not a slot though. Getting bigger. Maybe not, same size as the other one. Fish on, guys. Looks like another red. Not the size we want. Okay, better fish, guys. This one's probably slot. Just take our time. This is a good fish. Just turn them out. Okay, I think he's almost ready. Let's get him in. Okay, we got him, guys. Oh, and we got him on that voodoo shrimp. Nice red. That is a nice red. Check that out, guys. Oh. This guy's gonna be 23 inches. And it's gonna go in the box. Thank you. Oh. Okay, fish on. Decent one. Another slot. Beautiful red, guys. Right guys, so we just finished fishing a little while ago, and now I'm gonna drop off the fish to my uncle at his restaurant. Gonna come back later and he's gonna cook us a nice dinner with the fish I caught. So we're at Noodle Restaurant over here on San Jose Boulevard. I'm gonna drop off some fish. Yeah. Hear that, man? Yeah, yeah.
Dạ.
Come back on.
Ok.
Một con này. Một con này.
Ok.
Yeah, một con này. Ok.
Ok, xương sau rửa tay đi.
Ok. Hello, man.
How are you?
You ready?
Yeah,
Ready?
I can hop now.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. All right, this is my uncle right here.
Yeah.
Kit. And he's started one dish already. It's a steamed redfish.
Yeah. Cái số là hot sao soup.
And a hot sour soup.
Hot sao soup.
All right.
Cái này là hot sao soup. This is hot sao soup. Really good.
I'm gonna let them get to their cooking. Get out of the kitchen, get out of their way. So this is a steamed redfish.
Yeah.
This is not on the menu, by the way, but he can make it if you guys bring your fish in.
This is on a special menu.
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, man, look good.
So good.
Nay toàn chưa ăn gì hết á.
Thử đi.
Okay.
Thì thử cái này cái chưa ăn nấu chưa có thử.
Number one, man.
Chứ ai xeo đó là hot sao soup.
Phải không? Một trường Việt Nam order phải không?
Yeah.
Only been.
Đất lên trăm medical.
Có luôn hả? Wow.
Wow. Everything.
All right, man. Thank you so much, kid.
Okay. See you next time.
See you. Bye cháu.
Đây, man.
Ok, bye mẹ. Lấy cái bót kìa.
Đó, what's that? Oh. Thank you, kid.
Ok.
Next time, tụi em cá nữa.
Ok.
Okay. All right, thank you.